Hi friends, we've got a little secret we'd like to share. Chincoteague's beautiful secret, the wild side pony, will be one of the honored guests on Farm Day, Saturday, October 11th at Bells Bend Park in Nashville. Bells Bend is just off Briley Parkway at 4187 Old HIckory Boulevard. Secret will be joined by her friends Lana Osborne and the Tennessee Fainting Goats, as well as the legendary Paula Carr, who will be teaching us all the secrets of homemade butter. There will be pumpkins, candles, homemade soap, old tractors, a hayride, and all sorts of other exhibits. It's free and it's going to be fun. Secret even has her own book, The Pony in the Pool House. Come on out. We can't wait to meet you.